My name's Cam Puckey from Crestron. We're here today at our Effortless Technology for Everyone pod at Integrate 2018 in Sydney, and I wanted to demonstrate the Crestron AirBoard product. AirBoard is revolutionising the whiteboard. Everyone knows how to use a whiteboard, so what we have done is take the camera as you see here today, and we can basically, using a whiteboard marker, write on this whiteboard, and what we do is digitise that to present it on an in-room display such as a projector or an LCD display for the wider audience to see. We can also take that content, it is sent to a website accessible by users so that they can view that content online, download the content and make it available for others beyond the session. For further information, go to www.crestron.com.